Okay, so first I'm starting off by moisturizing my hair. I'm getting some water in there, combing it out, fixing my part. And then I'm going to add my Cantu moisturizer to my hair, comb that out as well. And then I am taking my Eco Styler gel, it's the argan oil one, and adding it to the edges of my part. Then I'm just going to be taking my toothbrush to smooth that down. And now let's start flat twisting. So you want to take a piece out, split it into two because you're making a twist, and then you just want to twist that. And then the next time that you twist, I like to use my thumb to pick up hair and pick up hair as you're twisting, and then do it again. So you're taking that part that is the other half of the twist and picking up hair. I pick up with my thumb and twist it again, and I pull all the way through so I don't have any tangles in my hair. So again, pick up hair with my thumb and put it in with that section and twist again. I'm hoping this is making sense because this is very hard to explain. I'm hoping that you can see what I'm doing. So I'm picking up with my thumb again and twisting and pulling all the way through, picking up with my thumb again, pulling all the way through, picking up with my thumb again, pulling all the way through. And I'm just going to keep repeating that and repeating that and repeating that. So pick up with my thumb, twist. Pick up with my thumb, twist. Pick up with my thumb and twist. And pick up with my thumb and twist. So that's all you have to do to achieve a flat twist. And usually I would twist all the way to the bottom, but for this hairstyle I'm not going to do that. Okay, so I thought I would show you again. So I'm just going to repeat that process of putting some water on my hair, put the Cantu moisturizer on my hair, combing it out, and add in the gel. So I'm just going to show you how to flat twist again. Hopefully you can see it better, or you just needed to see it again. I don't know. So we're going to take a piece out, split that into two, twist it, and then as you're twisting again, you want to pick up with your thumb and twist, and then pick up with your thumb, a twist, and twist. And it just alternates each time. So each time you're picking up hair, you should not pick up hair each time. So you want to pick up hair each time, if that's making sense. I hope that is making sense. So pick up hair as you twist each time, and you're adding hair to one of them the first time, then you're adding hair to the other one the second time. So as you're twisting, you're picking up hair, adding it to the first strand of hair or leg of hair, whatever, and twisting and picking up, and then adding hair to the second strand of hair and twisting again. So you want to twist and pick up hair with your thumb and pull all the way through, twist, and as I said before, I'm not twisting all the way to the bottom, but you can. But that is the end of this video. Be sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and come back for more. And I'll see you in the next one.